Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna do comparison between these two smartphones. Here it is the Tecno Pop 9 5G smartphone, and here it is Motorola G35 5G smartphone, and both are 4GB 128GB storage. And at the back you will see here it is the two cameras over here, and here it is the ring light, and at this side you will see two cameras are there, and here it is the Motorola branding over here, and here it is Tecno Pop. And at both the phones you will see same ports: volume up and down, power on off. At the back you will see in Motorola, here it is the speaker, type C charging port, one microphone, and 3.5 mm of audio jack. And this you will see here it is 3.5 mm of audio jack, one microphone, and here it is one type C charging port. Here it is speaker, you can see. And at this you will see here it is SIM tray tool, and at this you will see SIM tray tool. So let's open it. Friends, you can see it's in this. Here you will see 6.7 display size, and here it is 6.67 display size. And when you just open it you will see, let's open it and let's see the smoothness. You can see app test. Let's open the Play Store, and you can see in Motorola phone it will faster the app open. Let's see, here it is the settings. Let's open it and type here refresh rate. And if you can't find out, you can go to the settings also. Here you have to go to about phone and just click on this, and here you can see the model number. And in Tecno Pop, here it is the CPU of Dimensity 6300, and in your Motorola you will see here it is, when you just scroll down, here it is the device detail, that is Android version is 14. And you can see its camera and RAM is also extendable, 4GB plus 8GB extendable. And friends, you can see in your Motorola you will see here it is T760 octa-core 2.2 gigahertz processor is there, and rear camera is 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel of camera. And in this you can see front camera is 48 megapixel and front camera is 8 megapixel. Let's do the camera check also, and you will see both cameras are equally good, but this looks like more clear Moto. You can see here are the features, like in this, here it is vlog, video, AI cam, portrait, super night, more, slow motion, time lapse, dual video, short video, sky shop pro, panorama, documents, AR shot. And in your Motorola you will see slow motion, video, photo, portrait, QR code, pro, more. And in this you will see panorama and time lapse and night vision. These three are in this Motorola. Let's do the quick video quality test in the YouTube. Let's open the YouTube, and here I have just write. Friends, you can see both smartphone and you can see the quality. Both qualities are very good. You can see it look like 3D. The video quality is very good, and the brightness and the contrast in these two smartphones are very good. Let's see the sound test also. Here it is, the Motorola smartphone. And here it is, the Tecno Pop 9. You can see. Friends, you can see both have very good speaker. The bass and the overall sound, that is very good. You can comment me down which would you like in these two smartphone. And let's check the security features also. First, let's open the settings. Here you will see the settings. Then you have to click on my phone, and you will see here it is. Just you have to click on here, it is password and security. You have to tap on it like this, and just you have to just scroll down security, privacy and device unlock, and you will see lock screen, password, fingerprint and face lock, screen lock, fingerprint and face lock. Three are there are same security settings, like you can see. Friends, you can see both have 5000 mAh of battery life, and in this you will see here it is the ring that is not in the Moto smartphone, and you can see how fast it opens, just like that. And both have very smooth screen. You can see you can play any game you want like this. Do comment in this video which one you like this smartphone. If you like this comparison video, if you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.